Good morning everyone. I am Rishikesh Kargeti from class 5th. My school name is St. Andrew Scott Senior Secondary School. I am 11 years old. Today I am telling you about insoluble impurities and soluble impurities. I am doing one activity and showing you based on insoluble impurities and soluble impurities. So let's start it. Material is required: a spoon, 4 beakers filled with half of the water, turmeric also called haldi, salt, tea leaves and sugar. Do you know what are soluble impurities? Those impurities that can dissolve in water, and insoluble are those impurities that are not dissolved in water. So today we check that turmeric, salt, tea leaves and sugar is soluble or insoluble. So let's start it. First of all, we take a spoon and take some haldi, turmeric and put it on first beaker and mix it well. So here you can see that turmeric is soluble or insoluble. It is insoluble. We can see this water is full of turmeric, so we cannot drink this water. Okay. So the second water. First water full of haldi, also called turmeric, is insoluble. So turmeric is insoluble impurity. We cannot drink this water. We can drink this clean water. Okay. So we start the second process. Now take the spoon again from the haldi, turmeric and take some sugar. After turmeric we take some sugar and put it on the second beaker. Now we put some salt again. Now mix it. Here you see it is similar to normal water. Some people drink it, so we cannot drink this because it is impure water. So salt is soluble impurities. It can be dissolved in water. It is similar to clean water. But it is not clean water. It is impure water, unfit water we called. So turmeric water means turmeric is insoluble. Salt water means salt is soluble. So now we do process with tea leaves. Now take the spoon again and take some tea leaves and put it on the third beaker. Now mix it properly. What can you see? We can see that this water is full of tea leaves. We can see the tea leaves in this water. So we cannot drink this. It is harmful for our health. So the tea leaf water means tea leaves are insoluble. It cannot be dissolved in water. Okay. So turmeric is insoluble. Salt is soluble. Tea leaves is insoluble. Now we check salt. We already checked haldi, turmeric we already checked. Tea leaves you already check. So we check. Now we check sugar. Take the spoon again and take some sugar and put it on the third beaker. Now mix it. Mix it properly. I can mix it. We see that it is not soluble, but it is soluble because after some times it dissolves in water. Okay, so you see that salt is soluble in water. So my activity ends. One recall that turmeric is insoluble, salt is soluble, tea leaves insoluble, sugar is soluble. My activity ends here. So bye for now. Take care, stay healthy, stay safe. And I am highly thankful to Miss Priyanshi, our science teacher, for supporting me to make this presentation and for good learning. Thanks and regards. Bye bye.